first discuss some of the properties of product of matrices, and then we will solve some of the question based on these properties. So, properties are, if A is any n cross m matrix and B is m cross n matrix, need not be m equal to m, may be square matrices or may be non square matrix. Then define another matrix which is x A into B and y which is B into A. So, then x and y must be a square matrix. So, x is simply n cross n matrix and y is m cross n matrix. Then characteristic polynomial of, so first property, characteristic polynomial of x or characteristic polynomial of A into B is x to the power m into this is always same as x to the power n into characteristic polynomial of y of x. That is, this is the relation between characteristic polynomial of B into A and characteristic polynomial of A into B. Now, if lambda equal to 0 is non-zero eigenvalue of A into B, then there is a factor x minus lambda, then this factor must be also factor of this polynomial. So, the non-zero eigenvalues of AB and BA are always same with algebraic multiplicity. So, this is the important property of eigenvalues of AB and BA. Now, if all the eigenvalue of AB are 0, this always implies all the eigenvalue of BA are also 0. That is, AB is nilpotent, and we know that the matrix is nilpotent if and only if eigenvalues are 0. So, AB is nilpotent if and only if BA is nilpotent. So, this is the second property of this matrix, and sum of eigenvalue is always trace, and the non-zero eigenvalue of AB and non-zero eigenvalue of BA are same. So, this implies trace of AB always same as trace of BA. Another is product of eigenvalue is always determinant of matrix. So, this product of eigenvalue is always determinant of matrix. So, in this case it may happen that the eigenvalue of AB are all non-zero and eigenvalue of BA are may be some of the 0. So, determinant of AB need not be equal to determinant of BA provided the given matrices are not square matrices, or if given matrices are square matrix, then we can write down. So, if n equal to m, then this is the special case, then this always implies characteristic polynomial of AB is always same as characteristic polynomial of B of A of x. That is, every eigenvalue of AB is same as every eigenvalue of BA, and if all the eigenvalues are same, then characteristic determinant is also same, trace is same. So, this properties implies determinant of AB always same as determinant of BA, and all eigenvalue are same. So, let us discuss some of the question based on these all properties. So, this is question number 75 in December 2015, and question is, A and B are n cross n matrices, define over C. So, define over complex field. Then first option is AB and BA are or AB and BA always has same eigenvalue. Second option is AB and BA have same eigenvalue, then so AB and BA have same eigenvalues implies AB is same as BA, and C is if A inverse exists, then AB and BA are similar matrices. And fourth is rank of AB is always equal to rank of BA. So these are 4 options. So let's consider one of the examples. Say A is equal to 0 1 0 0 and B is equal to 1 0 0. Then A into B is 0 0 0 0 0 matrix, and B into A is 0 1 0 0. So A into B is 0 matrix, B into A is non-zero matrix. So rank of AB is 0, rank of BA is 1. So D option is incorrect option. Now eigenvalue of for second option, AB and BA have same eigenvalue, then AB and BA are same matrices. So let's consider another example, or first discuss first option. So since A and B are square matrices, so this implies characteristic polynomial of AB is always same as characteristic polynomial of BA. So if characteristic polynomial are same, then set of eigenvalue always same. So first option is correct. And then come to third option, A inverse exists, then you can operate AB by A inverse and A. So resultant matrix is BA matrix, and we know that two matrices are similar if there exists non-singular matrix such that A inverse AB equal into A is equal to BA. So AB and BA are always similar matrices if A inverse exists. So C option is correct option. Now if characteristic polynomial of two matrices are same, does not implies the matrices are if characteristic polynomial of AB and characteristic polynomial of BA are same, does not implies these matrices are commuting matrices. So answer A and C are correct option.